Hey guys, this is Kaz from Junk Journals by Kaz. This is my very first video I'm making, so please bear with me as I learn how to make better content. I have had a lot of people request these videos for my mini projects I sold on Etsy, and this week I received another request for the mini Christmas book. This file comes with 2 printable pages. You can print them on cardstock or whatever paper you like. You will need a scissor or a ruler and a knife and a hot glue gun for this project. If you don't own a hot glue gun, you can use normal white liquid school glue. I think it's Elmer's. I am in South Africa, so some of our products will definitely differ. If you're going to use the glue option, I do suggest that you also have binder clips on hand, as you will need to let this sit for a while to dry. I've already printed my pages and cut them to save time, so let's get started. So these are your outer covers that you get with this little book project. There's 4 of them, the covers, and then there's your inside bits, also 4. Those are your pages. If you want to make more than one book, you can just duplicate that page. I use about 4 per book. So we're going to be folding the cover in half. Now I'm using a felt squeegee just to flatten the edges. And now I'm going to put some glue on. You obviously don't have to use this glue. If you have different glue, you're welcome to use it. Now we're going to fold the spine of the book. Now we're going to fold the pages. I would suggest just folding them on the lines first before folding them in the correct order. Now you can go ahead and fold all 4 of your pages. Now I'm using my squeegee just to press down on all the edges. Here I'm just applying glue and gluing the 2 pages to each other. And then the middle section. And now the back section. And that's your first set of pages. I'm going to go ahead and glue the rest of these pages. Now that they're all glued together, you can just pop them all together and make sure that they fit in your book to get the final effect of this little mini book. So at this point you have to decide whether you're going to use a hot glue gun or just plain glue. If you're going to use plain glue, you have to apply the glue where I apply hot glue. After this, you're going to set it inside of your book on the spine and you're going to clip it with your binder clip claw. You'll need to leave it for a while to set so the glue can fully dry, otherwise the whole book will fall apart. And that's it, guys. Now you have a cute little mini Christmas book. Hope to see you guys soon again.